И дым, блядь, мы даже не поняли сразу.
A Ukrainian drone fell on the territory of an oil depot in the town of Svetlograd in Russia's Stavropol Krai overnight, Governor Vladimir Vladimirov has claimed. According to Russia's defense ministry, Russian air defenses overnight shot down 36 drones over Kursk Oblast, 20 over Bryansk Oblast, 12 over occupied Crimea, 8 over Voronezh Oblast, 4 over Oryol Oblast, and 3 over Belgorod Oblast. The Russian Baza Telegram channel posted a video purporting to show a drone exploding at the oil depot in Svetlograd. The town of Svetlograd has around 35,000 residents and lies over 372 kilometers southeast of Ukraine's border in Donetsk Oblast. No casualties or damage have been reported. Emergency services were at the scene, Vladimirov said. Alexander Bogomaz, Bryansk Oblast governor, claimed that a drone hit an apartment building in the city of Bryansk overnight, injuring one person. In recent months, Ukrainian forces have launched a series of drone strikes aimed at damaging Russia's oil industry, whose profits fuel Moscow's war efforts. A Ukrainian drone reportedly struck an oil refinery in the city of Ufa in Russia's Bashkortostan Republic, which lies some 1,500 kilometers from the country's border. A Ukrainian sniper eliminated a Russian soldier from a distance of 1,437 meters. This is truly a remarkable shot if we calculate. This is a distance of 1,571 yards. North Korean Foreign Minister Choi Son-hui promised that North Korea would stand with Russia until the day of victory, during talks with Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in Moscow. Choi's visit comes as 8,000 North Korean troops are reportedly preparing to enter combat alongside Russian forces in Kursk Oblast. Our traditional, historically friendly relations, which have traveled the tested path of history today, are rising to a new level of relations of invincible military comradeship, Cho told Lavrov. Choe went on to praise Russian President Vladimir Putin's wise leadership and said North Korea is convinced Russia will achieve a great victory in their sacred struggle to protect the sovereign rights and security interests of their state. And we also assure that until the day of victory, we will firmly stand alongside our Russian comrades, she said. Moscow and Pyongyang signed a strategic partnership agreement in June, pledging to provide military support to one another if either comes under attack. The Russian parliament ratified the defense treaty in October, amid reports that North Korea was sending troops along with weapons to aid Russia's war against Ukraine. And this is a strong statement from President Zelensky. North Korea recently tested a new ballistic missile with record flight time and altitude. The world merely watches as this threat grows. Through Moscow's assistance, North Korea has advanced its artillery and missile capabilities. Now, they are learning the tactics of modern warfare. Thousands of North Korean soldiers are already near Ukraine's borders, preparing to fight. And the world is still watching. We know where these North Korean troops are gathering in Russia. We could act preemptively if we had the means, long-range capability. Yet America, the UK, and Germany watch. We understand the logistics pipeline between Russia and North Korea that enables this aggression, and it must be stopped. Strong Asian nations, including China, have a role to play. If China truly advocates for ending the war, it must act. Kiev has said that North Korea has sent nearly 12,000 troops to Russia, including 500 officers and 3 generals, according to Ukraine's military intelligence agency. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said during a press conference that at least 8,000 North Korean forces have been deployed to Russia's Kursk Oblast and are expected to participate in active combat in the coming days. Warthog Defense reported that first North Korean casualties, in dead and captured, are already reported in Kursk. Kursk, Russian Federation. Footage showing the condition of one of the crossings over the Seam River. Their war, their land. The National Guard's BTR-4E from the 15th Brigade Kara Dog dismantles Russian fortifications in rural buildings near Pokrovsk. Parts of the city of Pokrovsk will be blocked off due to defense preparations, Serhiy Dobryak, head of the Pokrovsk military administration, told Suspilna. The embattled front-line city of Pokrovsk has been a focal point of Russia's offensive in the Donetsk sector in recent months. The city is a key logistics hub for Ukrainian forces. Fortifications are being built in Pokrovsk, and we are already entering the city, and certain areas of the city will be blocked, so please leave these areas, not entering or leaving the city, Dobryak said. Several echelons have already been built in the city, which will partially block the streets and neighborhoods of Pokrovsk. Entry and exit to the city will not be entirely blocked, Dobryak said, clarifying earlier remarks on national television. Dobryak's announcement follows reports that Russia has captured the nearby town of Selidov. While Ukraine has not officially confirmed the claims, an expert told the Kyiv Independent that Selidov is effectively lost. The loss of Selidov is dire news for Pokrovsk, which lies only around 18 kilometers, 11 miles northwest. Russian forces have been inching toward Pokrovsk for the past couple of months, gaining territory despite mounting losses. Russian propagandists praise Ukrainian advancements in using drones in the war. They acknowledge Russia is behind in that area.
У них есть подвижки, серьезные подвижки, надо отдать должное, в применении беспилотных летательных аппаратов. И нам надо делать из этого выводы на сегодняшний день. Мы пока не добились там решающего превосходства. Не добились. Смотрите, ведь они из беспилотников сделали род войск. У них 2 бригады, 6 полков, 9 отдельных батальонов на эту несчастную украинскую армию-то. Это очень много.
А что нам мешает?
А нам непонятно, что мешает. Нам надо не за ними идти, нам надо их опережать. Понимаете, на сегодняшний день беспилотник, это объективная реальность, это основное средство поражения тактического звена. Основное.
The Moscow oil refinery, one of Russia's largest, has been covered with anti-drone protection. In September, this refinery, which services 40% of the needs of the Moscow region, was attacked by unidentified drones, resulting in a fire that caused extensive damage.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.